bougie ass chicken sandwiches I finna make. Y'all remember them chicken sandwiches in the yellow goddamn paper? Well, the yellow styrofoam and the clear paper, them bitches used to come in clutch. I think that they had nuggets too. Them bitches used to come in clutch. I don't see them no more. And we used to put them bitches right here on these with a slice of cheese. Oh my God. But now I'm going bougie today. Let's make that a dabble. Toasty ass bun. Yeah. Them chicken sandwiches didn't look like that back in the day. Look at that bitch. Melted cheese, got some mayo on the bottom. Got some ketchup for them fries.